Okay guys, let's recreate this look on this side. Okay, first I'm gonna start with Catrice, and I'm gonna do this color Love, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. Just gonna put the tape so that so. Alright, now we can go on again. Then I'm gonna take a darker burgundy. I'm gonna take this color in this palette, like so, and then I'm just gonna put it there underneath in the crease. I'm gonna take a bit more. Okay. Then I'm gonna take a smaller precise brush, this one, and I'm gonna take that color again, and I'm just gonna put it there. In the corner. To make it a bit darker here. Okay, I'm gonna take Essence Beautiful in Roma, and I'm gonna use this gold color, that one. No, wait. I'm first gonna take the Stay Beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is from Pretty and Pizzazz, and I'm gonna use this color on my lid, this one, and I'm gonna put it here. Ooh, it's a beautiful color as well. And in the corner, take a little bit more. Okay, that like that, and then I'm gonna take Essence now. I'm gonna use that gold color, and I'm gonna put it there. Just to get it a bit to you see. Then I'm gonna take this gold in this palette and that color in the corner, inner corner. Then I'm just gonna take a clean brush, and I'm gonna try to take out the fallout here. Because this one, it leaves a bit of this side as well. It does have fallout, this one. Alright. Then I'm gonna take that dark color again. This one. I'm gonna take the brown, and I'm just gonna put it here a bit. See? I'm gonna put the purplish burgundy color. And I'm gonna, okay, let's take this thing off first. Just take out my hair. My hair is always everywhere, as you can see. Alright, so then I'm gonna take that dark color here, and then I'm just gonna put it underneath my eye. And then just flick it up. And I'm gonna put a dark color like this underneath. Like so. Then I'm using Essence eyeliner, and I'm just putting it in my waterline. And then the mascara I'm using is Surreal Falsies. And I put it okay. Then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows quickly. Eye look has been done. What do you think? Do you love? Do you hate? Please leave a comment. This is the eye look in a better light, I think. Looks like this. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.